Today we have a Zuru Oosh magic potion surprise. I'm going to unbox it and then we're going to get started. I wonder what kind of slime will be. I really hope I get the bottom one. This one is the sea tonic one, the yellow one. I'm excited to see what bits I can mix in. Here we go. Wow. Look at these. These look so good. I have a magical unicorn surprise. Magic potion surprise. Ooh. Peter. Beads. Sparkles. Magic dots. Sparkles. Beads. Now I'm ready to get started. First we have to mix the liquid glitter with the activator. Wow. This looks like syrup. So yellow, it looks like syrup. But it's not. Now I'm going to put in the sea-so spell activator. Bring it up. I wonder what's going to happen when I mix it. Now I'm giving it a mix. I'm mixing it, then I have to wait for the potion to start. Next we need to add glittery blue. And it might just make your wishes come true. Magic unicorn surprise sparkles. Wow, this is amazing. Okay. Magic mermaid surprise beads. Ooh. Magic unicorn surprise sparkles again. More. Wow, they look so good. Ready to play with. Wow, that looks amazing. That absolutely looks amazing. It's so sticky. Yeah, yanking. That was so cool and easy too. Wow, this is so good. Bye bye. Look, it's so stretchy. Here's my first slime equation complete.